Oh no! Here we go on Danter's Equinox. The first ever ride on it in Northern Ireland. Oh no! I'm nervous as fuck. Oh my life! Oh my goodness, this is not normal. We're literally standing up. Oh jeez, no. Yo! Oh no, this is not right. I hate this. Oh no way! Holy. No. Dude. You ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Ace it. Oh. We're flying. Jesus Christ. We fly so high. Oh, this is amazing. It's not even that uncomfortable. Oh, here we go. Jesus, mine. I don't even feel. Where do we go, Flip? Yo! Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. I think this is the best ride of the year.
Oh, the Irish won't be happy. You ready for us?
Oh no, I think this is the worst part here.
I know it is.
Oh, look at that. Don't. This is ridiculous. And now we go backwards. Look at the view though.
On the bomber, two single riders.
Oh well. All three, what's going on? Yo! Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness, no! Oh my goodness! Me! Yo! I don't even know what's going on! Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh! Yo! Yo! Oh! Jeez! Oh no! This is too much! Oh!
Thank you for choosing Belfast over here.
Oh my goodness! Alright guys, that is a 10 out of 10, that was unreal! Oh my goodness!